Hello student, today we are going to study metal and non-metal. To start with, we all know that everything which is present around us are known as matter. Known as matter. Okay, if we talk about the definition of matter, we can say anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Matter can be in different form. It can be in the form of element. Okay. Matter can be in different form. It can be in element. It can be in the form of compound. It can be in the form of mixture also. What do you mean by element? Element are the purest form of any substance. Okay, purest form of any substance. It is made up of same kind of atom. There are 118 elements. 118 elements, out of which 92 elements are natural. 92 elements are natural. Out of these 92 elements, 70 are metals and 22 are non-metals. Now, how do we know that these particular elements is metal and these particular elements are non-metal? We can judge these on the basis of characteristic features which we are going to study today. Okay. Elements can be divided into three categories. Okay, all elements can be divided into three categories. Metals, non-metal, and metalloid. Metals like iron, aluminium, copper, cobalt, nickel, zinc, these are the metal. Non-metal like carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, chlorine, these all are the non-metals. Okay. Then metalloid. What is metalloid? A metalloid is a type of chemical element which have the properties of metals as well as non-metals. Okay, it is a mixture of the properties of metal and non-metal. There are 6 metalloid are there: boron, silicon, germanium, polonium, tellurium, and antimony. Okay, these are the metalloid. Okay, so now we are going to physical properties of metal, particular physical properties of metal. So these are the properties of metals: malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat, good conductor of electricity, lustrous, hard, strong, solid at room temperature, high melting and boiling point, and last sonorous. So very first we go on the malleable. Okay, first property is a metal. First property of metal is malleable. Metals can be beaten into thin sheet with a hammer without breaking. Okay, most of the metals are malleable like gold, silver, and aluminium. They are the best. They have the best malleable quality. Okay, that means it can be converted in a very thin sheet. You can see in the sweets there is a very thin layer, a very thin golden and silver layer on the sweets like Kaju Katli, like Gulab Jamun, and they are covered with a very thin layer of silver coating. That is the very thin sheet. That is the that is the silver foil. Okay, very thin foil is there. And you also know about the aluminium foil. Aluminium foil or foil for the packaging of food item. Okay. Now the second quality of metal, it is a ductile. A metal such as copper, aluminium, magnesium and ferric. Copper, aluminium, magnesium and iron are available in the form of wire. The property which allow the metal to be drawn into the thin wire is called ductility. Okay, so malleable, the main quality of metal is the malleable and ductility. With the help of these qualities, metal can be converted into any shape. Okay, now we are going on the third properties of metal, that is the good conductor of heat. Metal, by saying that metals are good conductor of heat, we means that metals allow heat to pass through them easily. The cooking utensils and water boilers are usually made up of by copper and aluminium. Okay, because they are a very good conductor of heat. Good conductor of electricity means metals allow electricity to pass through them easily. Some metals are the best conductor of electricity. Gold and silver are the best quality of best conductor quality. Gold and silver. Okay, very best is the silver. Silver metal is the best conductor of electricity. Copper metal is the next best conductor of electricity, followed by the gold, aluminium and tungsten. The electrical wire are made of copper, aluminium metal because they are very good conductor of electricity. Now fifth characters of luster. Okay, lustrous means they have a shiny surface. Most of the metals have a shiny surface. Example, gold, silver, copper, and they can be polished. The properties of metal of having a shiny surface is called metallic lustrous. Okay, that means chamak. Most of the metals are in shiny surface. Okay, now next characteristic features of metal is the hard. Most of the metal are hard, but all metal are not equally hard. Iron, copper, aluminium are very hard. They cannot cut with a knife. There are some exceptions like sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are very soft metal and can be easily cut with a knife. These are the exception. These both metals are cut by the knife. Okay, the strong. Strong means metal can hold a large weight without snapping or breaking. Sodium and potassium are not that much strong. Okay. Now solid at room temperature. Most of the metal like aluminium, gold, silver, copper, okay, are solid at room temperature. Only one metal, mercury. Mercury is the exception. Mercury is a liquid state in a room temperature. high melting and boiling point. Most of the metals have very high melting and boiling point, like iron. You know iron's melting point is 1535 degrees centigrade melting point, and copper melting point is 183 degrees centigrade. It is very high. But sodium and potassium metals are exception. Sodium and potassium metals low melting point, have a low melting and boiling point. Sodium have 98 degrees centigrade melting and boiling melting point, and potassium also 64 degrees centigrade, okay, melting point. Gallium and cesium gallium and cesium metal also have a low melting point. Okay, they start melting in hand by the heat of our body. Sonorous, the last property of metal, that is the sonorous. Sonorous means capable of producing deep ringing sound. Due to this properties, metal are used for making bell and string of a musical instrument. Okay, so these are the physical properties of metal. Malleable, make a thin sheet. Ductile, make a long wire. Good conductor of heat, good conductor of electricity. Lustrous, have a shiny surface. Hard, they are very hard, but they are sodium and potassium are the exception because it can be cut by the knife. Metals are very strong. Okay, solid at room temperature. Most of the metal, aluminum, gold, copper are the solid at room temperature. One exception is there, that is the mercury. Mercury is a liquid at the room temperature. High melting and boiling point. Metals have a high melting and boiling point. And sonorous, metals have a metals can produce the deep ringing sound. Okay, these are the physical properties of metals. Now, physical properties of non-metal. Physical properties of non-metal. Non-metals are non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat, bad conductor of electricity, and non-lustrous, soft, not strong. Non-metals may be solid, liquid and gas at room temperature, low melting and boiling point, and non-sonorous. So, first, non-malleable. Non-metals are not malleable. They cannot be beaten with a hammer to form a sheet. We cannot make sheet from the non-metal. Okay, non-ductile. Non-ductile means non-metals are not ductile. They cannot be stretched to form a thin wire. Solid non-metals can neither be hammered into the thin sheet or nor be drawn into the thin wire. ठीक है, सो सॉलिड नॉन मेटल से वो मैलिएबिलिटी की भी क्वालिटी नहीं है और डक्टाइलिटी की भी क्वालिटी नहीं होती है. ओके, सो नाउ द थर्ड, बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. नॉन मेटल्स do not conduct heat. They cannot conduct heat. And bad conductor of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity. Non-metals do not conduct electricity. Only one exception is there, carbon. Okay, carbon can conduct the electricity in the form of graphite. Graphite. In the form of graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Since graphite is a good conductor of electricity, it is used for making electrode. Okay. Then non-lustrous. Non-metals do not have a shiny surface. The solid non-metals have a dull appearance. Okay. For example, sulfur, phosphorus are very dull. Soft. Only iodine is the exception. Okay, lustrous. Iodine have a little shiny surface. Okay, soft. Next physical properties of non-metal is the softness. Most of the solid non-metals are quite soft. Sodium, potassium are soft. Okay, exception only one non-metal, carbon is very hard. It is not soft. Okay, in the form of diamond. In the form of diamond. Okay, diamond is a very hard. In fact, diamond is the hardest natural substance known. Okay, strong. So physical properties of non-metal is non-metals are not so strong. Then non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas at the room temperature. Okay, non-metals have a three distinct form. They can be in the three form: solid, liquid and gas. Some non-metals like sulfur, phosphorus are present at the solid form at the room temperature. Some non-metals like chromium, okay, these are in the form of liquid at the room temperature. Okay, some non-metals like hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen are in the form of gas at the room temperature. Low melting and boiling point. Non-metals have a very low melting and boiling point. Sulfur only, like sulfur have a 115 degrees centigrade melting point. Okay, non-sonorous, exception. Exception is diamond. Okay, exception diamond. Diamond have a very high melting point, 3500 degrees centigrade. Okay, this is very high. Okay, so this is the diamond is the exception in the non-metals that have a very high melting point. Last, non-sonorous. Non-metals do not produce sound when hit with any object. Okay, they are not produce any deep ringing sound. Okay, so these are the physical properties. Non-metals, non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat, bad conductor of electricity, non-lustrous, dull. Okay, only exception iodine is the lustrous, and soft, very soft, it can be cut by the knife, but exception is the carbon. In the form of diamond, it is a very hard, not strong. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas at room temperature. So sulfur and potassium are in the form of solid, bromine in the form of liquid, and hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen in the form of gas at the room temperature. Very low melting and boiling point. Only diamond is the exception. Non-sonorous. So these are the physical properties of metal.